Hi, my name is Igor Jokanovic. I'm a president at Arete Renovators.
Hi, my name is Dvor Jokanovic and I'm a VP of Arete Renovators.
Our family comes from a beautiful country of Bosnia and Herzegovina, former Yugoslavia. We've been here in the United States since 1995 and started a business 2002, Arete Renovators remodeling company. Past 2 years, we've been named as a top 500 company in the United States in the remodeling industry. I'm very proud of our accomplishments, our team, and feel everybody contributed to this success.
Our father was in the banking business, but he always had love and passion for woodwork and pretty much for remodeling. We had a house in Bosnia on the mountain that he pretty much built from ground up. We as a kid are always there to really help him with anything and just work around him and I'd learn and see his passion for it. In 2002, we started Arete Renovators after we purchased a single-family home in Rockford, Illinois that we decided to remodel and hopefully sell it. After many hours of long work, we were successful enough to sell it. After that first project became successful, we really wanted to try it again and duplicate what we did in Rockford, so we took our dad and our skills to Chicago area and started purchasing some condos to fix them and flip them. Really didn't take until 2005 for us to start fully concentrating on remodeling and helping others with their interior remodeling needs, such as kitchen, bathroom, flooring, painting, and etc.
Arete Renovators' tagline is the art of remodeling. We want to make sure that clients in the end do experience satisfaction with walking in their space and transforming their space to be really true art.
One thing that clients will always remember Arete Renovators is that they could trust us, that we did a job at its highest quality and we completed it on time.
We are so much also more than just a remodeling. We do care for our community. We are demonstrating that where we had a coronavirus and pandemic. We took care of our clients with precautions, with safety procedures, as well as community outreach, where we did a lot of volunteer work and take care of our community basically.
At Arete Renovators, we are a family and we want our clients to feel the same way. Thank you.